How to fix two-factor authentication not working in Facebook. For this first step, check your phone time settings. Open up settings, scroll down, click additional settings, click it. In this you have seen date and time. You need to click date and time settings and make sure set time automatically should be enabled mode and set time zone automatically should be enabled. This both should be enabled mode. Make sure it. After that come to next step, clear Facebook app cache. For this click settings, scroll down and search for app settings, search it and click it. In this you have seen manage app is there. You need to click the manage app settings and search for Facebook. And bottom side you have seen clear data, click it, click clear cache and click OK. Once complete after come to next step. In this you need to click settings and click network settings. For this you have seen mobile network is there. You need to click it and which SIM. If you have two SIM means which SIM you are using a mobile network. You need to click it and click mobile network and click next and click OK. Check network manually and wait for a couple of seconds. It's checking the network manually. Once checking after it will show up the network status. You need to click it. You need to click your preferred network, which network you are using. You need to click it. Once clicking after, come back. And last and final step, you need to update the Facebook. For this, you need to open up the Google Play Store, update the Facebook application. If you are out to date, means you need to up to date. So update the application and try it. Thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.